of Destination Modified video. This is an intro post the job actually being done. So it's a bit...
As you can see, the car is no longer here.
Yeah.
You're right, Mark.
So, anyway, as by the title, because that's the only way I'm going to be able to do it, is we had a 2022 BMW M5 in for the full Milltek system. Of course, you know, bought through bnrhq.com. Check it out, people. So anyway, all done, other than the fact that we didn't really get any before and after. We've got after. You got
before.
And we got a wee bit before that, but we didn't really get the actual car.
Yeah.
So you just got to imagine.
You'll see in the time lapse the car.
Yeah, it's just a white M5. Just imagine what it looks like. We've actually got a GM3 going for a Remus system next, which is over there, Cal.
Go on, show it. So that could be featured on the channel as well.
That might be, it depends if we can relative down or not. We'll do a time lapse of the M5 getting the exhaust taken off and the exhaust put on. Although the time lapse of the exhaust getting put back on might be a bit of cut and dry, because that was a nightmare. But we just had a few things. I didn't realise there was a left bank and a right bank in terms of the valves and that, so nothing was lining up, and we were there for ages doing that. Put the tip on wrong. Honestly, we're professionals, alright? We are. Right, we just I just, for some reason in front of a camera I'm not. But so enjoy. So on to the outro. I don't know what we're on, 20 seconds, 30 seconds after the intro. But obviously this will be into the video, so it looks, you know what I mean, big time gap. Anyway, so exhaust is done, as you'll have seen in the time lapse.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? As you can see by on the floor, there is not one here. The car didn't just leave and it came off. It is a way of a new one. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's a bit different. I feel like it'll probably interest more folk. I don't think there's many. The owner was also saying that there's not many like 2022 LCI type ones, like video wise, that are actually half decent. So there's plenty of pre-facelifts and stuff, but this will hopefully kind of give other folk a idea, I guess. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon as always, and stay jolly.
Stay jolly.